A great way to enjoy bird watching is by going to Old Magazine House, which is located in Ganeshgudi in Dandeli, Karnataka. Anyone who birds a favorite park over and over knows intuitively why they keep going back. It just feels good. Being in nature, pausing in it, sitting with it, discovering its wonders brings a sense of calm and renewal.
I am Appa Saheb Nadaf, a manager, Old Magazine House, Ganeshgudi. It is a part of Jungle Lodges and Resorts. We have around 26 properties throughout Karnataka. This is also one of the prime location for birders. Bird photographers are frequently visiting our properties. The birding season is winter is the migratory birds are visiting, and rest of the season local birds. And throughout the year we have counted approximately 100 species. We have three categories of accommodations here. One is a wooden cottage. We have only one accommodation, and we have 5 deluxe rooms, and we have a fantastic good means 20 bedded dormitory with 4 bathrooms and 4 toilets attached.
Flying, soaring, flitting and swooping over Ganeshgudi are some 200 bird species, coloring the most spectacular and varied habitats of Karnataka. Of these, about 10% are found nowhere else in the world, which makes Dandeli one of the most spectacular places to go on birding tours. During your stay and sightseeing, you will come across birds such as brown-cheeked fulvecta, babbler, bulbul, flycatchers, grey wagtail, orange-headed ground thrush, oriental white-eye, magpie robin, black-napped monarch, Asian paradise flycatcher, Malabar trogon, little spider hunter, Tickle's blue flycatcher, to name a few.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಝಿನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ರಿಸಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದು. ಈ ಸುಮಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 70 ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ನಿಂತಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರು, ಬರ್ಡ್ ವಾಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಥರ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Enjoy your stay at Old Magazine House with sumptuous lunch, followed by the birding at the height. You can choose to take a power nap while you are waiting for the bird's activity to begin. Here are some of the photos that I have taken at Old Magazine House during my visit in November 2022.
The Old Magazine House Ganeshgudi belongs to the Jungle Lodges and Resorts Limited, and the Jungle Lodges and Resorts is part of Tourism Department. It's the government of Karnataka. For more information, please log on to our website www.junglelodges.com. We have our head office in Bengaluru.